Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to schedule social media posts with Adobe Express. First of all, make sure you have the application installed. Open the application. Once the application is opened and you have your social media post ready, you can click on the right button on menu. Now click on schedule. Here you will see a calendar. Now click on the plus icon at the top. Click on new post. You can fill up this information. You can tap to add the media, whatever post you like. You can also add the alternate text, and most importantly you need to click on start connecting and connect your social profiles. Also, you can write a caption over here, or you can generate, and you can preview the post. Now if you want to schedule the post, you need to select the schedule button and then select the time and click on schedule. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel, as our channel is looking forward to hit 1000 subscribers. We need your support. Please hit the subscribe button.